It is the 2020 tax season and the deadline for tax returns is fast approaching. Let's dive into one of the most asked questions in crypto tax that was recently addressed by the IRS. My name is Andrew Gordon. I'm an attorney. I'm also a CPA practicing in crypto tax since 2014. After 5 years of waiting, the IRS has issued new guidance on crypto taxation and answered whether forks and airdrops are taxable as income. There has long been a debate about whether airdrops are considered zero cost basis or are income and taxable at the time of receipt. The IRS answered, generally, they are income. This means that if you received a fork, such as Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin Gold, you have to report income on your tax return in the year it was received. So, how do you value it? Well, you need to determine the fair market value at the time it was received. This is often determined by finding a trading price on a large exchange such as Coinbase. We have many clients that receive Bitcoin Cash while holding crypto on Coinbase specifically. However, unlike personal wallets, Coinbase did not release Bitcoin Cash to account holders until months after the actual fork. So when do you report the income? The new IRS guidance suggests that you would report it when it was actually accessible by you, so the date that Coinbase gave you access. So what do you do if you never reported a fork at all? In that case, you should probably talk to a tax professional about amending your tax return. But don't be too afraid. In many cases, amending your tax return could reduce your audit risk and may not necessarily cost you additional tax in the long run. Once you report income for a fork, you also establish cost basis for that same amount. So when you sell the crypto later on, your gain or loss is the difference between the sales price and the basis. There are still some unanswered questions regarding airdrops and forks, like how to characterize a marketing airdrop. But overall, it is now confirmed that forks and airdrops are unfortunately taxable. Follow us to watch other videos and learn more tax tips about U.S. crypto taxation.